See, the thing is I've said many times that you shouldn't compare your channel to other channels. And I know a lot of big YouTubers, they'll say the same things. Hey, don't compare your results to that of another channel. And I think that's bad advice, and I'm going to change my mind.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing. Click on the bell notification. You'll be on your way. Coaching student Heidi Looney drove more than 150,000 views to a recent video. And Linda had this to say: "Thank you, Brian. All kinds of awesome things are happening. Now it's your turn. Access my free 40-minute YouTube Masterclass and discover what makes my group coaching program unlike any other program available." You'll find the link in the description to the free Masterclass. Check this out. Today I'm conducting a very unique experiment, and I'm going to be releasing another video in like an hour or two. But here's what I want you to think about. You know how you keep hearing all this advice about how you shouldn't compare your channel to other people's? You know what? That's really bad advice. Without question, you should compare. Yeah, without question, you should study the competition. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to kind of half compare your channel to someone else's. This is so hard to watch. I see so many creators, they come into YouTube and they've published maybe 5 videos, and they're really sad and they're upset. They're like, I'm just not driving any views at all. And then they mention someone like me or another channel they admire. You see, the thing you don't want to do is just compare halfway. And this is what I see so many creators doing. They kind of compare the views of a few videos between 2 channels. Their channel, maybe your channel, and then another channel in the same space. And people will be like, it's the same kind of thumbnail, it's the same video, it's the same content, and yet they're driving so many more views. If you've published 20 videos and you started 3 months ago, you can't compare your channel that's pretty much brand new. Any channel that's less than a year old on YouTube, in my opinion, is pretty much a newer channel. And when you compare your channel, and you've published 10 or 20, even 50 videos, against a channel that's been uploading for 3, 4, 8 years, channels that have published hundreds and hundreds of videos and slowly gained an audience and improved their skill sets and their ability to communicate clearly in a manner that's compelling and draws an audience in, is absolutely insane. So if you're looking at one specific video and you're wondering why your video didn't perform, even though it's nearly identical, it's not. You're comparing something that is just not comparable. Go back and look at the channel in question. Go back to their early videos. Look at their first few videos and really be honest with yourself and the situation. Look at how many videos they've published in total. If they've published 300 videos, have you? And if the answer is no, why the heck are you comparing your results against a channel that's been practicing this whole YouTube thing for many years? That, my friend, is insanity. And furthermore, when you compare in that manner, it will drag you down. So yes, compare yourself to other channels. Yes, take the time to see what's happening in your particular niche. Take the time to see what an audience is responding to in your niche. By the way, that's the successful channel. And the more you study that stuff in a way that doesn't harm you mentally, the more likely you're going to be able to start emulating, coming up with your own style, delivering on what the audience wants, and eventually winning. The thing you don't want to do is just compare views to views. That'll always end in misery. But I want you to do this. If you want to get more views on YouTube, then you want to really discover some of the secrets that the big YouTubers aren't sharing. The video on the screen covers exactly what that is. Click and watch that video now. When you do, you're gonna feed a poodle. Yeah, I got 2 poodles and they're hungry. I'll see you on that next video. You dig?